everybody. We are at the most fabulous chocolate factory place, I think, in all of Israel. And Noam and I have been to a lot of chocolate places in a lot of countries. This one surpasses all of them. And we are in what village? What Mashal?
We're in Zivan, in the Golan Heights.
Okay, and what is your name?
My name is Hadi Elvin.
Hattie?
Yeah,
Oh,
Elvin.
this is Hattie. Isn't he
Hello.
cute? He's cute. Anyway, I want you to tell the people her story.
Okay, so Karina is from Buenos Aires, Argentina. She came to Israel in 2006, in 2002, and in 2006 she started the business here. But she started working in chocolate since she was a little girl. She started the inspiration and the passion in chocolate since she was born. And she is the third in her generation to have a place like this. So.
And what I love about her is that she's a Zionist and she did Aliyah. I mean, that's what it's all about. It's God's people coming home. And in her heart, she knew they wanted to live in the Golden Heights. That speaks volumes. So there's a blessing on this place. So next time you come with us, hello, I take you to DeKarina Chocolate Factory. Amen. And you will meet the wonderful people that are here. Blessings.
Thank you.
You did perfect.